Planning to explore São Paulo, but don't want to carry your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a simple and secure way to store your bags while you explore the city. In this video, we'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in São Paulo using Radical Storage, a trusted platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes. These partners offer secure, insured storage options for your luggage. To find a luggage storage point in São Paulo, use the official Radical Storage link in the video description to avoid phishing sites. On the Radical Storage website, simply type São Paulo into the search bar, and a list of storage locations throughout the city will appear. Choose the location that's most convenient for you, whether near tourist attractions, transport hubs, or central areas. Next, select your preferred drop-off and pickup times, then proceed with payment. Radical Storage ensures secure online transactions, so you can book confidently. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your selected luggage storage point. When you arrive at the location, show the reference number to the staff, and they'll safely store your luggage. And that's it. You're now free to enjoy São Paulo luggage-free, knowing your belongings are in safe hands with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.